Changing your payout settings on Mercari is essential for managing how you receive your earnings. Follow these steps to update your payout preferences easily. Step 1. Open the Mercari app. Launch the Mercari app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payout Settings option. Tap on it to view your current payout methods and options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change or add a new one. You can select from options like bank transfer or PayPal. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and tap it to ensure your new settings are applied. Now you have successfully changed your payout settings on Mercari. Regularly check your settings to ensure everything is up to date for smooth transactions.